Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We want to crochet round 1 and 2 with another yarn. So I just use this 7mm hook and this yarn. For a start, we make a slip knot. And into this chain I just put a marker for a better understanding. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now here we put a marker into this chain. We want to make 4 double crochet into this place here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We made 4 double crochet here. Now we have 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We want to put a marker here around the first double crochet here. So I just put a marker with this black. So I work here and here and I have here. Now I want to make 2 front post double crochet around this one, the black here, around this, like this. One, and 2. Now I want to make 2 double crochet here, one, and again here in this place, 2. Now 2 front post double crochet here, one and 2. Now here I want to work here 4 double crochet. I remove this one and only this yellow, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now round 1 finish. We want to make a slip stitch here here, make a slip stitch here, and a slip stitch. This is round 1. Remove this yellow, now we want to make 3 chain, count as first double crochet. This is round 2. 1, 2 and 3. Now 4 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we want to make a popcorn. Chain 1. Now here we had 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Around the first one here we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Chain 1. Around this 3, 1, 2, 3, we want to make back post half double crochet like this. One, two, now 3, back post half double crochet, chain 1, we have 2 front post double crochet here. Around the first one we make front post double crochet, 1. Around the second one here 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1. Now here we had 2 double crochet, 1, 2. At top of first we make a double crochet and a front post double crochet around the same, around the first one, a front post double crochet around the second one here, a double crochet top of same, 1 and 2, top of the same here, now chain 1. We have 2 front post double crochet here. Around the first one 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Around the second one we make 1 front post double crochet, chain 1. Now here we have 4 double crochet. Around the first one we make back post half double crochet like this, another back post half double crochet around the next, and a back post half double crochet around the next. Totally 3 back post half double crochet and 2 front post double crochet around the last one here, 1 and 2, chain 1 and a single crochet top of this 3 chain. Here we make a single crochet. Now round 1 and 2 finish,